Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar for you. Grandpa Joe said that Willy Wonka invented over 200 variations of the Wonka Bar, so it's only natural that one of them is peanut butter flavored. For those of you out there that have been denying yourself certain candies because of the culture war, let me assure you that this Wonka Bar is a worthy substitute. And as an added bonus, it's super easy to make. Normally when I make one of my Wonka Bars, after I bring the pot to boil, I wait 3 minutes before I put the chocolate in. But in this case, you put the peanut butter in right after you set your timer. Once the timer expires, you add the chocolate to the melted peanut butter and it will melt right away. The finished mixture may seem a bit more liquid than my usual confectionaries, but throw it in the fridge overnight and it will solidify just like any other. Follow these instructions and you'll have a peanut butter candy bar that even Willy Wonka would be proud of. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.